Okay.
Okay, hello Miss.
Good lagi.
Hello Sis.
Hello, good evening.
Okay, yeah. Sorry Miss for the inconvenience.
How was it?
I can hear you. Trying to speak, Miss.
Oh, really? Wait a minute. Bentar.
Ah, okay.
Okay, what about now? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, it's good right now.
All right. Actually, here still heavy rain, bro, Alfie, in Bali. So probably there will be a little bit lagging due to my unstable connection.
Okay.
Mhm. All right. Do you mind if I turn off my camera so that my connection will be better?
Yes, it's okay, Sis Anna.
All right. Okay.
So,
So have you arrived at your
okay.
house, Ralphie?
Yeah, could you repeat?
Uh-huh. Have you arrived at your house?
Yes. So right now I'm doing a little bit touring with my wife and my daughter. So right now I'm on
Oh,
yes in the apa ya kalau kaki gunung apa Miss Sis?
what is this? Kaki Gunung?
Oh ya, kalau kita bilang di bawah kaki gunung kayak gitu.
What mountain, bro?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, and actually maybe the internet, the problem is maybe not from you, but it's also from me since I'm using hotel Wi-Fi,
Mm-hmm.
which is usually it's a little laggy. Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Mhm. Okay, all right, but hopefully the class will running well, yeah, bro. Alfie, even though both of us have a trouble in our connection.
yeah. Okay. It's
Okay,
no
so how
problem.
long will you stay in the base of the mountains?
I will stay on just one night. Yeah. And uh, tomorrow afternoon we will go home.
What mountain is it?
Uh, I don't know the name. I think it's Penanggungan maybe.
Penanggungan.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
mountain.
Still in Jombang.
Yeah, it's like in Pacet
All right, all
Mojokerto.
right.
Pacet Mojokerto is
Okay,
yeah,
okay, all
our
right. How long it takes time from your
yeah, like it
Mhm.
likes 1 hour drive from Jombang.
An hour?
Yes, an hour drive. Yes.
Okay, okay, all right. Mm-hmm. Okay, so enjoy your holiday, yeah, bro. Alfie. But thank you so much for still joining this class, even though you are on your holiday with your family.
So
Okay.
you're talking
So,
too fast.
for today, bro,
I can hear
Alfie,
you
the
clearly.
sorry,
The last one
too
you are
fast.
talking too
Terlalu cepat
fast.
ngomongnya.
Yeah, I'm not hearing you clearly. Uh,
Oh, okay. All right. So I say that even though you are on a family holiday, but thank you so much for still joining this class.
okay, yeah. Since I'm committed to this course, yeah. So I try my best to always join your class.
Okay, all right. So for today, Bro Alfie, we have a topic to talk about, which is about transportation.
What is that?
Hmm. Talking about transportation.
Oh, transportation.
Exactly. All right. So talking about transportation, Bro Alfie, what is your favorite transportation mode?
Oh, yeah. I think my favorite transportation is train.
Oh, why is it?
Since my parents' home is rightly in front of train station, just like 2 meters away
Hmm,
from the transportation.
2 meters.
Yeah, 2 meters away. Since my childhood,
Wow, that's
I
so close.
always, yeah, I always
Mm-hmm.
hear the sound of the trains, see the train every day, every
Mm-hmm.
morning, every night. Yeah, so that's why I love trains that much.
Oh, I see, I see. So how often do you commute using train?
Could you repeat, Miss? Sorry.
How often do you commute using train?
Okay, so for the intercity train, I think I'm rarely using, maybe like mm, once a month. But for um,
Mm.
apa bukan inside city, but from local routes like in Jabodetabek area, I'm
Mm-mm.
using it every day. Since I work, I'm using or commute with trains.
Okay, okay. So train become your daily transportation mode to go to work.
Yes. Uh,
Have you ever mhm. Have you ever had like, unforgettable experience related to trains?
yes, I think the memorable one is yeah, I always watching people being crashed, apa ya, tertabrak, apa ya, being hit by the trains, and the body was separated,
Mhm.
and I have um,
Oh.
so when I was child, there are people, there is a people got hit by the trains, and his arms is flew
Mhm.
away through my front yard.
Hmm. Oh my God. It
Yeah,
must
it's
be
kind of
very traumatic experience.
maybe not traumatic, since we always look
Mhm.
or uh, so when people get hit by the trains, we always to want to know or want to look. Yeah, so I'm used to uh,
Mhm.
see dead body
Oh,
people get hit by the trains.
oh my God. Okay, it's kind of scary. All right. In your opinion, Bro Alfie, related to transportation, what kind of transportation that all people in your city or in your country has?
So, uh, what did you mean on the transportation?
Yes,
Uh, yeah, I think mostly all people own car and using car.
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 Good lagi, Bro Alfie.
Yeah. Oh, we're not good.
Okay,
Can
I thought
you?
that you say that it is car, yeah, bro, yeah. Okay. Do you have car sick or seasick, bro Alfie?
Oh, no. I'm usually using car, so we don't have traffic. Uh, maybe the
Mm-hmm.
transportation that I have so much is by plane.
Okay, okay. Bro Alfie, sorry, can you move closer? Your voice look, it seems that you are far away from the microphone.
Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, like I said before, since I
Mhm,
forgot to put
suaranya
my
kayak jauh gitu, bro, dari mikrofonnya. Jadi agak mendem.
I forgot to bring my headset.
Mhm.
Is this okay?
Okay, okay, alright. So tadi about car sick. Sebenarnya tadi di awal itu clear terus kayak tiba-tiba agak mendem, terus sekarang masih mendem juga.
Oh gitu. Wait. I think I want to switch
Iya,
headphone.
tadi
Maybe.
pas awal aman aja kok. Mhm, okay,
Okay.
okay. You can take your time.
Tess, is it okay, Miss?
Okay, it's much better.
Okay. I hope it's not lag or is it
Mhm.
trouble? Yeah,
Okay.
have a trouble anymore.
Iya. Mm-hmm. Okay, hopefully it will get better using this device. All right. So, talking about transportation in Indonesia, Bro Alfie, what should we change about our public transport?
Okay, since um since my daily basis using public transportation, particularly by local
Mm-hmm.
commuter, I think the government should
Mm-hmm.
add 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 extra trains, so we don't have to apa ya, desak-desakan tuh apa ya bahasa Inggris saya, desak-desakan.
In crowded.
Yeah, yeah. So we don't have to, yeah, yeah, it's too crowded for the rush hour. Yeah. So the government
Mm-hmm.
should manage and add extra trains or extra schedule, so the people or user,
Mm-hmm.
customer, uh, have convenient, um, apa ada deh. Uh, apa sih dibilangnya, mudah lah gitu ya, mudah dan nyaman. Uh,
Okay. All right. So there must be an additional vehicles
oh yeah,
for train. All
okay.
right. Is there any other thing? Mhm. Is there any other thing that we need to improve about our transportation in Indonesia?
I think um, I think the public transportation is uh, better right now. The problem is people not using public
Mhm.
transportation. Yeah. So rather than the problem of the public transportation, I think the problem is the human, the habit of buying a new
Mhm.
car or excessive car, and always using car even
Mhm.
though they are only one, one people. Yeah. Yeah, I think this transportation system is all
Mm,
right,
okay.
especially in Jabodetabek. Yeah,
Okay.
in it different case when we talk about Bandung, since the people in Bandung, or in Bandung City, didn't have good public transportation.
Mhm. Okay, okay. All right. So related to their service and also the option of public transportation is already good, but the problem is the people or the society itself.
Yes.
So, in your opinion, Bro Alfie, what make people or our society don't want to use they prefer to use private transportation rather than public transportation?
Because they are
What is the
lazy.
causes of that?
Because they are lazy to
Lazy?
walk. Yeah, lazy to
What do you
walk.
mean by lazy?
Malas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they
Mm-hmm.
don't want to walk, and uh, yeah, I think there is much people don't want to walk, so everyone always rely on their vehicle. Like we are going to the Indomart or Alfamart within 500 meters, and we
Mm-hmm.
don't walk by using and choose using motorcycle. Yeah, similar like that. Yeah. Uh, Beside of the laziness, uh,
Okay. So that.
there is some
Mm-mm.
aspect on about the status social, I think, since people
Okay.
appraise uh, appreciate or since people see status social by the by owning the a car or nice house and something like that. So people urge to buy a new car or buy car, whether or
Mhm.
when they apa ya kita mau bilang they themselves apa ya dibilang dia mereka sendiri tidak mampu.
Okay, you can say they don't have enough money for buying the car.
Yeah, they don't have capacity, but they really want to have a car.
Mm-hmm. Okay, even they took like installment and credit to take a new car, right? That is a
Yeah,
phenomena in our society.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you think our public transportation is expensive, Rolfi?
No, the public transportation is really cheap. Do you did you have did you
Mm-hmm.
uh, have ever using public transportation?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know your perspective, but from
So
mine,
it's
it's cheap.
mhm, mhm.
Yeah, like
Mhm.
we use
Oh,
commuter,
okay. So it's
we
quite
only pay 6,000
mm-mm.
and we can go until Tangerang. It's like um, more than
Mm,
100 kilometer, right?
mhm. Okay, so it's quite cheap ever, yeah, and
Yeah.
affordable
Yes,
for all
affordable.
level. Alright. Mhm. Okay. What is the longest route you have ever taken using your motorcycle, Bro Alfie?
So yeah, when I was a student, I always go by motorcycle, and the farthest
Mm-hmm.
um, routes is from Jogja to Jakarta, and
Wow, how long it
yeah,
takes time in total?
s- I don't know. Since I take a one night apa sih kalau mau bilang eh transit one night transit in Bandung. Yeah, but from
One night
Jogja,
stay?
yeah, one night stay for transit in Bandung. But from Jogja to Bandung, it takes like 8 or 9 hours.
8 and 9 hours, and then after that you went to Jakarta.
Yeah, and then from Bandung, we continuing to Jakarta.
Mm-hmm.
We continue to Jakarta.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Did you do that like in a group with your community?
Yeah, no, no, not in my community. Just with some friend. Yeah, we are four of us. Yeah, with
Mm-hmm.
two motorcycle, uh, going to Jogja
Mm-hmm.
and to Jakarta. But you can line this
Mm-hmm.
because uh, I'm going to Jakarta in the era of there is no Google Maps. Yeah, so we
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
and so yeah, we just follow the sign, the map sign, and then we ask the locals
Mm-hmm.
to go to the next checkpoint.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Have you been lost at the moment?
Yeah, could you repeat?
Since there have have you been lost at the moment?
Oh
Since
yeah,
there
yeah.
is no Google Maps and you just following the instruction from the local.
Actually, no. Yeah, since I think uh, our
Mm-hmm.
destination is a big city, or yeah, big city, and we follow the general routes, not going to
Mm-hmm.
uh, small routes. Yeah, we just using the provincial
Mm-hmm.
routes. So I think we not
Mm-hmm.
gonna get lost. It's easy.
Mm. Okay, it's easy since there are a lot of marker and people that you can ask to.
Yeah.
Um, Have you ever ridden an electric vehicle, Bro Alfie?
Unfortunately, no. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm.
but what do you think about electric vehicle?
Um. Yeah, since I don't research that much, yeah. But my point of view,
Mhm,
if using electric vehicle is safe and much cheaper, so why not?
mhm.
Yeah,
Mm,
I think
okay.
when
Do
we
you think
have,
it is a good solution?
yeah,
Okay, please continue.
convenient.
Yeah, please continue.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So when I think the electrical vehicle, it's good for uh, to using um for as a city car. Yeah. So only for, not for interlocal on or intercity routes. Yeah, I think.
Mhm,
But yeah, as you know, as Indonesian, they always violate the intention of things, like people using
mhm.
city car for going to mountain, for going to intercity. Yeah,
So it's good as long as it's inside the city.
yeah. Since we
What's your
don't have
opinion
the
about the
infrastructure.
future of?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What's your opinion about the future of electric vehicle, Bro Alfie? Are they going to replace the traditional vehicle fuel mode of transportation?
Um. Yeah. I think the positive or the pros about electric vehicle is uh, um, they are no emission. It is right. Is it right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and they are much cheaper for the expense. Like the gas
Mm-hmm.
expense is really expensive. Yeah, I spend like 1 million a month just
Mm-hmm.
only for gas expense.
Mm-hmm.
And um, maybe the industry have to guarantee about the battery and always persuade consumer about the safety and the infrastructure, the easy charge, and lot of apa ya kalau kita mau bilang banyak tempat untuk ngecas gitu ya. There are much charging
Mm-hmm.
station ya. And if you follow
Okay.
the electric vehicle trends,
Mm-hmm.
there is company called BYD, and they just released the newest uh, car, and it only
Mm-hmm.
under 2,100 million rupiah.
Yes, it's
Uh,
much cheaper.
yeah, I think it will be the product of the year, and people waiting to buy the BYD Atto.
Hmm. Okay. Do you have a plan to replace your mode of transportation to EV car?
Yeah, my wife want to buy an EV car, but I think we hold it right now. We see after 5 years, I think
Mm-hmm.
it's still good or not.
Okay, all right. Mhm. Okay, you still consider about it.
Yeah, I'm considering to uh, buy an EV, but I'm not a panic or a trend buyer.
Your voice isn't clear, bro, Alfie.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Can we move on? Is it?
Okay, let's just move to
Uh,
the next question. Yeah. Have you ever
uh,
used
yes.
have you ever used an online transportation, bro, Alfie, like
Yeah.
Gojek or Grab?
Yes, of course. Yeah. I think
Mm-hmm.
in I think people in Indonesia always using go online transportation, right? It's so convenient and cheap, but the real point is convenient.
Okay, okay. Have you ever had a bad experience related to online transportation cases?
Until now, I'm safe. Never got bad experience like people in
Mm-hmm.
Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, so yeah, I'm still
Mm-hmm.
love to using the Gojek or Grab.
Mm, alright, alright. Talking about type of transportation, which one do you prefer the most, bro, Alfie? Traveling by air, sea, or land?
Yeah, I love to travel by land and by sea actually, and I hate travel
Mm-hmm.
by
Why
air.
is it?
Yeah, since I feel safe when
Oh, what
travel
is
by
the
land.
reason behind that?
Yeah, since I will feel safe when travel by train or by sea, and I always worry when I travel
Mm-hmm.
by air. Yeah.
Actually, I cannot hear your voice clearly, so it's a
Okay.
bit hard for me to respond your answer.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Susanna. I think it right now is
Okay.
not effective. Maybe we can try to using a voice note instead.
Mm,
Yeah, since you are
okay, all right.
over,
Let's continue the class using voice note, yeah, Bro Alfie, yeah.
yeah, like you said before, we can
Okay.
I have a voice note assignment or voice note session from you.
I know. Okay, okay, all right. But before that, let me give you a little bit feedback for tonight, yeah, Bro Alfie. After this, we will do the rest of the class through voice note WhatsApp. Can you hear my voice clearly right now?
Yes, it's good.
Okay, all right. It's a bit feedback for today, Bro Alfie. I will deliver probably 1 or 2 minutes about it. So the things that I noticed from your answer previously is this one. There is the difference between people and person. So people is the plural form of person. So if you want to mention satu orang, you can use a person or one person. Jadi bukan one people gitu, Bro
Okay,
Alfi. Karena kalau singular tunggalnya itu person. Kalau misal kita mau bilang personnya itu banyak, maka jadinya people. Seperti
okay,
itu. And then if you want to deliver a reason, uh, kalau selain pakai since atau because, berarti juga bisa pakai variasi yang lain, bisa pakai as, bisa pakai due to, bisa pakai owing to. Tapi ini lebih formal dan biasanya lebih ke untuk lebih tertulis sih, misal di artikel atau mungkin di jurnal, di novel kayak gitu. Ini kurang
okay,
umum kalau misal spoken. Mungkin bisa nanti dicoba variasi pakai yang as atau to.
yeah,
Alright?
okay,
And don't forget that S really matter in English. Iya, huruf S itu sangat penting banget di bahasa Inggris ya, Bro Alfi. Remember kalau misal subjeknya itu adalah tunggal, kita perlu put S di verbnya, jadi customer wants gitu ya. Tapi kalau
okay,
misal customernya ada banyak, maka we have to remove the S in here. Customer wants. Alright, and there is also the difference between is and are. Kalau misal aspeknya ada banyak, maka kita perlu pakainya are. Like there are some aspects, and don't forget to put s in here. Jadi bukan there is some aspect, tapi there are some aspects.
okay,
Alright. And then if you want to ask about someone experience, you can use present perfect. Jadi berarti kalau misalnya mau menanyakan pengalaman, kamu pernah nggak naik public transportation gitu. Nah, formnya bisa seperti ini. Have you ever used a public transportation? Di sini kita pakainya verb 3. Have you ever? Ini bentuk interrogatifnya dari kalimat present perfect. Kalau misal berarti sudah pernah belajar tentang tenses ini.
yeah,
And
okay,
then to explaining your idea more clear in a clearer way, you can use this form. Jadi berarti bisa sampaikan dulu main idenya di awal, setelah itu supporting sentence 1, supporting sentence 2. Misal, I believe that transportation in Indonesia is already good gitu. Kalau menurut Bro Alfi, transportasi di Indonesia itu udah bagus. Nah, supporting sentence-nya itu apa? Oh, ternyata karena harganya itu sudah murah, terus sudah terintegrasi. Nah, ini dijelasin. Jadi nanti bisa idenya itu ide satu dan ide dua nggak lompat-lompat. Gitu. Kalau misal sudah selesai, nanti bisa kalau berarti ada ide lain seperti itu untuk
okay,
deliver idenya. Oke, itu aja untuk feedbacknya. So we can continue our question in WhatsApp ya, Bro Alfi.
okay, sis. Yeah, thank you for tonight.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I will close the class. Yes. Thank you so much, Bro Alfi. See you in WhatsApp.
Yeah.